What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the next adventure. I'm Bob. Well, I'm back out at it. Anyhow, I want to show you this. So, if you look behind me here, there's that bridge. Hopefully it picks it up on the camera, it should. But that bridge is the Floating Hood Canal Bridge, and it's actually pretty interesting. And I seen a documentary, I guess, and I think I saw it on YouTube. So if I did, I'll try to find it and I'll link it below and you can check it out. But that bridge actually collapsed once, years and years ago, a lot of years ago. I couldn't tell you the dates off the top of my head, probably 30, 40 years ago, probably more than that actually. But yeah, probably definitely more than that. But it's pretty fascinating, and it's one of the main ways to get over to the peninsula. And when that collapsed, it really screwed a lot of stuff up. But it was pretty cool to watch, and like I said, I'll try to find it and link it below. But anyhow, that's not what we're out and about doing today. I just stopped here because, I mean, these views, you can see the mountains over here. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera or not, but that's Cascades. Yeah, that's just the Northern Cascades. But what we're going to do, we're going to go up to a lake up here on the peninsula, and I'm going to try to find some mushrooms. I have an idea on, I think some lobster mushrooms are in season, or I just missed the season. I'm not 100% sure, but I brought my books with me, so we'll see what we can find and see if we find anything that we can eat and cook up. So with that being said, I'm gonna hop back in the truck here, and oh yeah, I got my little buddy with me, Dopper, my adventure buddy. We're gonna head up to the lake and see what we can find. Oddly enough, my book here, I can't find the actual mushroom that we're looking for. So, but I know what it looks like, and this is what we're actually looking for. Something that looks like that. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna find it, but we're gonna try. All right, let's do this. So we made it to this little spot. This is gonna take a while because he doesn't want to keep on walking because he smells everything. Come on, bud, come on. But so the lake's on the other side of the road over there, but I've never actually stopped here. I actually see a mushroom already. I've never stopped here, but this is a nice network of trails, it looks like. Well, this trail apparently goes to the beach. It said, had an arrow pointing this way, it says to the beach. So I don't know, I think it's about 2 miles or something. See, I already spotted a mushroom, but I don't think it's anything that we can actually eat. Here, check it out. So those, I have no idea what they are. This area is just loaded with all kinds of crazy mushrooms. I've actually, a little bit further up from here, I've actually found some that was under a tree, like in a little cave thing. They actually were glowing. I'll see if I can put up a picture right here. I think I have a picture of them. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's just green all the time. Okay, we're gonna see what we can spot and I'll check in. Oh, feels like it's a balloon. It feels like I could just pop it. It's super slimy. Huh, I have no idea what they are. It's kind of weird. I'm pretty far out here and I hear like police sirens way off. You hear that? Huh, someone must not be wearing their mask. Oh no, I don't have mine on. See that squirrel right there? See it? Looks like it has smoking a stogie. Just the sheer beauty of this place. It's just magnificent. So I just rounded the corner. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Huh, nice. This is the lake I was talking about. Holy moly, it goes a long ways. Look that direction. So this trail's supposed to go all the way around the lake. I suppose we're gonna take it all the way around the lake because came this far. Might as well see what else we can find. We made it back to the vehicle, Copper and I did. Copper about halfway through tried to give up on me. He was getting a little scared because he heard some people talking, but he ended up plowing through it and we did good. We did about 5 miles, so that was pretty good for Copper's little first outing. It was pretty good, cool. We seen all kinds of mushrooms, not the ones I was targeting, but that's okay. It's always fun just to get photos of mushrooms and stuff. And I think I'm gonna head out of here, Copper and I, and we're gonna head back towards the house. And when you see this, it'll probably be after Thanksgiving, so hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving and eat tons of food, because don't hold back. Go to town on it, and I hope you get to see everybody you want to see. So on that note, I will see everybody on the next one and on to the next adventure.